Hello. Here are 4 ways of making money. Blogging. Blogging is a popular way to make money online by sharing your knowledge, expertise, and interests with a global audience. Here are some steps to get started with blogging. Choose a niche. Select a niche or area of interest that you are knowledgeable and passionate about, and that has high demand for online content. Choose a blogging platform. Select a blogging platform such as WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace to create and host your blog. Create a domain name and hosting. Choose a domain name and purchase hosting to establish your blog's online presence. Develop a content strategy. Plan and develop a content strategy that includes blog topics, keywords, and audience targeting. Create engaging content. Write high-quality, informative, and engaging blog posts that appeal to your target audience and help solve their problems or answer their questions. Promote your blog. Use social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to promote your blog and increase your traffic and engagement. Monetize your blog. Use various monetization strategies such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, advertising, or selling digital products to generate income from your blog. Remember, blogging requires consistency, dedication, and patience to build a successful online presence and earn a steady income. It's essential to provide value to your readers, engage with your audience, and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in blogging. With persistence and hard work, blogging can be a rewarding way to make money online. YouTuber. Becoming a YouTuber is a popular way to make money online by creating and sharing video content on the world's largest video sharing platform. Here are some steps to get started with YouTube. Identify your niche, determine your area of interest, passion, or expertise, and find a niche or topic that has high demand for video content. Create a YouTube channel. Create a YouTube channel that reflects your brand, personality, and niche, and customize it with a channel art and profile photo. Develop a content strategy. Plan and develop a content strategy that includes video topics, keywords, and audience targeting. Create engaging content. Create high-quality, informative, and entertaining video content that resonates with your target audience and adds value to their lives. Optimize your videos. Optimize your videos for search engines and audience engagement by adding titles, descriptions, tags, and captions, and using engaging visuals and sound. Promote your videos. Promote your videos through social media, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to increase your views, subscribers, and engagement. Monetize your channel. Use various monetization strategies such as advertising revenue, sponsored content, merchandise, or fan funding to generate income from your YouTube channel. Remember, becoming a successful YouTuber requires consistency, creativity, and authenticity to build a loyal following and grow your channel. It's essential to provide value to your viewers, engage with your audience, and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in video content creation. With hard work and dedication, YouTube can be a lucrative way to make money online. Online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a popular way to make money online by sharing your expertise and knowledge with a global audience. Here are some steps to get started with online courses. Choose a topic. Identify a topic or area of expertise that you are passionate and knowledgeable about, and that has high demand for online courses. Define your target audience. Determine your target audience and their needs, preferences, and learning styles, and design your course content and delivery accordingly. Plan your course content. Develop a course outline that includes the course objectives, modules, lessons, activities, quizzes, and assignments. Choose a course platform. Select a course platform such as Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy to host and sell your course. Create course content. Create high-quality and engaging course content such as video lectures, e-books, audio recordings, or interactive tools that appeal to your target audience. Promote your course. Use various digital marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to promote your course and reach your target audience. Set your course pricing. Determine your course pricing based on your expertise, course content, target audience, and market demand, and offer discounts or promotions to attract more sales. Remember, creating online courses requires expertise, creativity, and patience to develop high-quality and valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience. It's essential to provide a positive and engaging learning experience, and offer ongoing support and feedback to help your students achieve their learning goals. With hard work and dedication, selling online courses can be a lucrative way to make money online. Online store. Creating an online store is a popular way to make money online by selling products to a global audience. Here are some steps to get started with an online store. Choose a niche. Identify a niche or area of interest that you are passionate and knowledgeable about, and that has high demand for online products. Choose an e-commerce platform. Select an e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or Magento to create and host your online store. Plan your product inventory. Develop a product inventory that includes high-quality and in-demand products, and determine your pricing, shipping, and return policies. Customize your online store. Customize your online store with a unique and visually appealing design, and optimize it for search engines and user experience. Set up payment and shipping options. Set up secure and reliable payment and shipping options, and ensure that they are integrated with your e-commerce platform. Promote your online store. Use various digital marketing strategies such as social media, email marketing, or paid advertising to promote your online store and reach your target audience. Monitor and analyze your sales. Monitor and analyze your sales, traffic, and customer behavior using analytics tools, and make data-driven decisions to improve your online store's performance and profitability. Remember, creating an online store requires careful planning, research, and execution to create a successful and profitable business. It's essential to provide high-quality and valuable products, offer excellent customer service, and stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices in e-commerce. With hard work and dedication, running an online store can be a lucrative way to make money online. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.